Okay, welcome back to student. Last lecture we learned about the crop production and management traditional method. We have to learn that today is a methods is a two types. Okay, this is a traditional methods. This traditional methods is a used in a olden days. Next, see what is the sources of water? Water we are getting from rivers, lakes, ponds and percolation tanks. See, we are getting this water. Next we have to learn the traditional methods, and another one is modern methods. Modern methods per it is a two is there. One is a sprinkler system. Next another one is a drip irrigations. Okay, in this chapter we are learning the moat. Moat means what is? It is a well is there, and the well. See this like well is there. This is a well. What will happen? See, this is the well, and here is there a pulley. See, this is a pulley system is there na. See this like pulley is there. On the pulley it is a wheel is there. Wheel. On the wheel it has a, see, this is a wheel, and here is a tying the ox. See, it is a type of animal, and see here is a pulley and getting the fetching the water from well, and farmer is a pouring the water here. The water is a moving towards their main field. So it is a crop field. The water is a flowing this like water is a flowing towards the downward. See, this is a moat methods. Next, what said another one? Another one is a chain pump method. See, chain pump. See here, chain pump is there. Okay. See, this is a lake or percolation tank. Here is a water is there, and chain methods is there. See, we have to see the two wheels is there. Here one and here one. What will happen? Here is a chains is there. Chains. For example, we have to do this like a chain method, and in the chain method small like vessels is there. This like see small vessels. Okay, see this like what will happen? They are pitching the water. Here is a water is a pulling. Water is a filled. See, it is a dip inside. This is a water. This is like a chain method. We have to see the draw the neatly diagram. See, this is a chain method. Okay, here is a chains. See, this like chains is there. The water is a pitching. Water is a filled. The chain is a moving this directions. This directions. Here is a ball bearings, and it will be move. It will be move. Okay. See this like moving. Here is a water is a totally filled. See this like. Okay. This like. See this like. See what will happen while moving upward, this like it will be water is poured here. Water is poured inside. Water is a pouring. See, we are getting the water, this like water. See, it is a totally pour the water. See, incline this one, and water is a pouring. Water is a moving towards our field, main crop. See this like water is flowing towards the down. See, this is a chain pump method. See, this is a totally percolation tank or pond, rivers, lakes. We are etching the water. See this like moving. See this direction to and this direction. It will be moving, and water is a fetching, and water is pouring here. The water is moving towards our main crop. Next we have to see the another one is the Dekli. Okay, see, this is a traditional method. Say our ancestors used this methods. Next we have to see the Dekli. Means it is a type of method. See, it is a well is there. Here well. Okay. Okay, in the wells is a water is there. So it is a sticks is there here. Stick, using the stick. See this line. Our side is a weight also. Weight. Weight is a keeping. Weight is a tying here. Weight. Weight. Next, see here another side. It is a tying to the, see this like a bucket set. Okay. Next we have to see the here. We have to see here. See, it will be when a move downwards. See what will happen? The water is fetching upwards. Water is fetching the upwards. And here is a, the water is a, see this is a rope like is there, rope. It is a bringing the rope here, and it is a pouring the water. Pouring the water here. Water is a pouring. See this line, it is a Dekli method. Next we have to see the another one is a Rahat method. Rahat methods. In Rahat methods, what said here Rahat methods? It is a wheel-like structure is there. Wheel-like well is there. See, in the well, it is a wheel-like structure is there. Wheel-like structure is there. Okay. In the wheel-like structure, okay, Rahat is a lever system. What will happen? Here is a, this is a wheel-like structure is there, and here is a water is there. See, it's like totally water is there. A bucket-like structure, and water is a filling. Here is a water filling this like. See this like water is a filling, and water is a pouring the in this like structure, and water is a giving to the their main field. See, this is like our traditional methods. It is a lever lifting the water. Water is a lifting and pouring, lifting and pouring. It will be continuously process. This animal is a rotating the wheel. The animal is a rotating the wheel and fetching the water, and water is a fill and pouring here. The water is a giving to their main crop, the farmers. See, this is totally is a these traditional methods. Next, use pumps of irrigations. Nowadays we have to see the using the pumps for irrigation also. Using the pump of irrigation. Now we have to see the in our area. See, most of the these pumps is using for irrigation, lifting the water. For example, this is a borewell is there. In the borewell, okay, see, water is a pouring. See here, water. See, this is a bore wells. We are pouring the water. Water is a lifting. Nowadays, the water is a using for irrigation is a bore wells, tube wells. In Maharashtra, they are using the wells only. Tube wells, bore wells is a using most of the their state. Next, we have to see these days pumps are commonly used for lifting the water. These days is a using commonly for lifting the water. Next, we have to see the another one, irrigation system. See, modern method of irrigation. Modern method of irrigation. See, we have to see the modern method. One is a sprinkler system, another one is a, see, two methods, this one also. One is a sprinkler method, another one is a drip irrigation. Method. See, sprinkler method and drip irrigation method. See, what is the sprinkler method? Nowadays is using the sprinkler method in so many crops. What will happen? See, this like sprinklers is there. A rod shape structure. It is a main pipe is there. Main pipe. So we have to see the here. Okay. See, this is a pipe. What will happen? See, it is a water is flowing. It is water. See what will happen? See, here is a sprinklers. See, this light is there. Small and this light. What will happen? See, it is a spreading the see, it is a rotating. This like is a rotating. Here is a springs also is there. See, water is a like a raindrops. Like a raindrops, like it is a spreading water. Spreading water, this like. See, this like using means what will happen? See, how much water is required to our crop? We have to give with the help of, it is a sprinkler. Now we have to see this sprinklers is using basically the lands is not leveling. See, up and down land is there. See, this system is a very useful for our crop. See, our crop is a growing see healthy, because how much water is a requirement? See, this much water only providing to this with the help of sprinkler system. nowadays our government, state and central governments, is a providing to farmer for sprinkler system also. See, very less water is there. There is a using the sprinkler method, sprinkler irrigation methods. This methods is a very useful for us. Basically, this methods is a using it sandy soil. Sandy soil is a required the very less water and frequently water. Frequently water is a required. That's why it is a using the sprinkler irrigation method. Next, we have to see the drip system. What is the drip system? Here is a drip system. For example, we have to see the this like pipes is there. This like pipes. Pipes has a nozzles. See here nozzles is there. Okay, small hole like structure is there. Nozzles, and here growing they are seeding or seedling here. See, sowing the seeds. This like, for example, we have to see in our area so many members is using the drip irrigation method. See, they are mostly seedling or planting the vegetables. Okay, cotton. Next, banana. See, next we have to see the number of crops is using. Here only at the nozzle they are sowing the seeds or keeping the seeds, and plant will be grow. Plant will be grow this like. Okay, plant will be grow, and these plants make a healthy, and it is required the very less water, and it is a frequently required the water. See this like, which system this one? Drip irrigation system. See, drip irrigation system. Okay, we have to see the here drip irrigation system is a useful for unequal land. We have to see the so many in our India, so many lands is a not equal. Their field is a not equal. Up and down is there. What will happen if you giving to the directly tubular water to? See, where is the downside? For example, this is a land. See, for example, the land is this like is there. This like are down. What will happen? Water is flowing towards the down, and water is a accumulation there. If of water is a accumulation there, what will happen? The crop will be damaged. Crop will be damaged. See this like, crop is a damaging, because of we should not use this directly to well water to our main crop. See, this land totally our crop will be damaged because of their roots is a damage. If our roots is a damage, what will happen? See, chlorophyll also damaged. They can't photosynthesis. The plant will be dry. And this methods is a using mostly in sandy soil. Sandy soil also. Okay, blackish soil, loamy soil for also using, but mostly in we have to see the some regions. There is a scarcity of water. There is a scarcity of water. If a scarcity of water, what will happen? In their bore well, very less water. See, 1 inch, 1.5 inch water is there, 2 inch. This like water is there. Water is a very less, means the water is not coming to the full pipe. It is a coming to the half pipe only. Half pipe only. This much water is a coming. This much water. What will happen? The water is a very less. This drip systems for using this water. For example, water is there. More water. They are using this sprinkler methods. Very forcefully water is a spreading in sprinkler methods. But drip irrigation, it is a required the very less amount of water. So it is a very useful. We will get the more production, means yielding the more productions. It is a very useful. One is a traditional methods, another one is a modern methods. Nowadays this sprinkler, see, drip irrigation sprinkler irrigation method for is a giving to the subsidy to us, our state government, central government. It is a giving to the, see, this like methods, drip and irrigation methods.